Hey people, I'm coming on to talk about this is a product review for Coconut Monoi, and this is the Deep Moisture Milk Souffle. I have been talking about this on my videos, but I forgot to actually make a product review on this product. So on this moisturizer, so I wanted to come on. I don't think I did this, and if not, this may be a double review because I can't remember if I did it or not. But let me get closer. This is by Design Essentials, and I just tried this. I've been using this for about maybe a year now, and it is a thick, gooey. If you see that, I'm not sure if you can, I don't want it to drip out of the container, but it's a little bit, it changes texture because it's hot, and normally in the winter time it's a little bit more gelled, but it's a very wet, gooey, gummy type moisturizer, but when you actually rub it in, it melts like a liquid into your hands, and it's like a slight film, but it's this has saved my hair as a moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer I have ever used, seriously. I believe this is like key to the balance of the moisture in my hair, and has saved it from breaking. Ever since I've been using it, I have had no breakage on my hair. But I think it's a combination of everything that I'm doing. I have just found the key regimen or routine for my hair, and it is working like a charm. So I'm just sticking with everything that I'm doing. I'm not switching any products. And this is natural. I don't have my glasses on, but it's a deep moisturizing Barnacle. Ooh, I cannot see. It's for hydration, and it softens and shines. And I can't talk enough about how it softens and shines. Now, this is not good for styling. It's not like a hair gel. It's not gonna mold or shape your hair, or even curl your hair, like if you twist it and then take it out, if you're expecting it to be some textured curls. That's not going to happen. You have to use a you have to use a styling product with this moisturizer for it to work well. And like I use the main Crystal Orchard infusing gel, biotin infusing gel by the Main Choice. So I use this as a styler, but I usually use this after washing my hair. This is perfect when your hair is wet and you just need to put that moisture, lock that moisture in and seal it in. I use the lock method with the liquid oil and liquid oil and cream. So I use this as my cream. And I also layer it with my olive oil, ORS, Organic Root Stimulator. So this helps it keep moisturized, and it will last like this. I can put this in, let's say if I wash my hair on a Sunday, or let's say Sunday. By Thursday, I don't have to put any moisture or anything in it at all until like Thursday. And that's rare for me because I have 4C hair and my hair is very dry and it gets brittle real quick. But as you can see, my hair is holding up. Like it's amazing how my hair has bounced back from so many struggles and so many obstacles and setbacks with my hair. But it is finally, improving. So I just wanted to come on to tell you the tricks and the things that I'm doing, and it is starting to flow. So I just wanted to let you know that it's worth You know, if you get frustrated and you just are going through so many hair challenges, just stick with it. Stick with it and just continue to just test different products until you find what works. Try to stick with organic products because I notice it helps. Like, I'm only using certain store brand products. I use a lot of organic, like rose water, almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil. Castor oil has been key. That is like key for, like, especially for 4Cs, because it's a very thick oil. For lighter, fluffier hair, like, if you have 4A or 3B, 3C, the castor oil may not work for you because it's very thick and heavy. And I only use the castor oil to really put it into my conditioner, my deep penetrating conditioners. So it helps to thicken it, and it's moisturizing it, but then at the same time I'm rinsing it out at the same time because I'm putting it in as a deep conditioner. So it's not sitting in my hair and on my scalp because it's too heavy to sit on your scalp. It needs to be, it helps to thicken your hair. I notice it swells up the hair strands, and I notice, like, let's say if I even twist it and then take it out, it's like really thick, and I don't know, it does something about thickness, and it also helps with hair growth. So I just wanted to, I'm trying to think what else I do that has been a very big help. And of course, I think in my last video I talked about the protein, like hair mayonnaise and eggs. So I use a lot of natural products, and then there's just certain key products that I get from the store. And I think that is the key that I'm doing. And then also just making sure it's moisturized, keeping up with your wash days, and make sure you really cleanse and wash the scalp, take out the dirt, the oils, the residue from products, making sure their scalp stays clean, because that's important, that the follicles stay clean. And I think that's it. I'm trying to just pass on the things that I have learned over the years. It took me so long. I've been natural since like the 90s, long before natural hair was even a thing. But I have been doing this and have been learning along the way. It's just exciting to see so many people into natural hair now, and it's also so exciting to see so many products that you can choose from. So I just wanted to come on real quick and have a little chat, and I don't think I ever featured this. So I wanted to make sure I feature this, and I will talk to you later. Bye.